Good day, friends. It is me, HL ModTech, and as you know, I create a lot of videos. I've got a new way to organize them, so let's get cracking. Alright, so the channel works like this. Of course, you've got the uploads up top. So I love teaching Tinkercad, so I've got a totally Tinkercad section. The sections included in it are the Tinkercad 10, which are my favorite lessons. If you're just starting Tinkercad, there's really 11 now, but they're the simplest lessons with the most clear instructions, so you're going to be successful as quick as you can. After that, I've got my circuits, my code blocks, and then the Master Tinkercad in minutes. Finally, there's a multi-part section where each of the projects has more than one with a challenge at the end. And then at the very end is a 3D printable Tinkercad project. So if you have a 3D printer, those are great projects for you to design your own items and then actually print and test them. And then after you play with them, come up with cooler ways to use the same stuff. The new one that I'm excited about is the Tinkercad 100 Club. All of my Tinkercad videos that have 100 or more likes. Alright, so the premise is simple. If a Tinkercad video of mine has 100 or more likes, boom, I add it to the list. If you've got a lesson of mine that you've enjoyed and it doesn't have 100 likes, you can help it get there by hitting the like button and then sharing it whichever way you want with other people to try and get it to the 100 likes. If you're the first person to spot that a video gets to 100 likes, because I do not have an automated system, you can add a comment and say, hey, your video hit 100 likes, add it to the Tinkercad 100 Club. Alrighty friends, so I clicked on the jet, and what's nice is the playlist stays over here to the right. You can see there are 17 of these right now, and I'm going to switch to the Tinkercad house quick. The Tinkercad house was built in 2017, and I love this lesson. You can see that it's got 374 likes, which is super cool. It's only 4 minutes, which is fast, but what I want to show you is quite often in the description, I've made a newer version. So there is a new one that was updated for 2020. It's got some skills that I didn't use in the old one. Tinkercad's changed a little bit, and then I've also just become better. So it's a little bit longer lesson, but you come out of it with more skills in that time. So just be aware there may be a new one that you can find in the description, or you can also look for them in the video cards. I actually do share right here. This is the new one that's already got 2,000 views, even though it was only made this fall. Real quickly, friends, I want to just give a shout out for TubeBuddy. It is so cool to be able to instantly look down here on the corner and find out all kinds of cool analytics about your videos, how many views, how many comments, how many likes. And I appreciate all of you that have been installing it. It's so cool to see my TubeBuddy dashboard and their new installs every day, people using the free version, and hopefully you guys are enjoying it as much as me. If you have any questions, make sure you add those under any of these videos. If you've got something you want to learn, I'll create that video as well. Alrighty friends, it is the Tinkercad 100 Like Club. And if you spot a video that hits 100 likes, you can be the first to let me know in the comments. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HL ModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.